Hi, today I'm making turkey, cranberry, and pecan salad. We have finished Thanksgiving and we have a bunch of leftovers, and so I'm repurposing those leftovers. So I begin with this was a 10-pound turkey that was just half of the breast. So I want to say that's about a cup and a half of turkey, a quarter cup of cranberries, a quarter cup of pecans, mayonnaise to taste, depending on how much mayonnaise you want in the salad, a quarter cup of celery, and an eighth of a cup of chopped onions. So you want to chop those fine. Next, you want to cube your leftover turkey into a bowl. We're going to add the chopped onions and celery, as well as the pecans. And before I added the pecans, I actually wanted them a little bit smaller, so I took a big spoon and actually made them, use them to crush them a little bit finer to make them more fine. I used 2 boiled eggs, and so I've chopped those up into the salad. And then next, I've added my quarter cup of cranberries, my dried cranberries, and then I am going to just add my mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise is whatever you like to taste, so whatever your preference in mayonnaise is. I've added pepper because that actually is the only seasoning that I feel like it needs. The breast is seasoned. I'm going to mix all those ingredients and then serve them. I've served them on brioche bread today, but it can be served on rolls or any leftover bread that you have. And that's the turkey, cranberry, pecan salad.